Greetings from the NorthOps studios in Redding, California, and I'm your host, Jeff Tonkin, with today's Northern California Fire Weather Webcast. Today's photo is from the Rocky Fire in southern Modoc County, just west of Highway 395. As of late Friday night, this fire is roughly 50% contained and has burned around 300 acres. There were 649 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes recorded over the last 24 hours, mainly over Modoc and Washoe counties. Reviewing the last 24 hours of precipitation shows a bullseye of near a half to 1 inch of rain across the Warner Mountains, with pockets of near 2 inches aligning well with where much of the lightning was observed. Elsewhere, lighter amounts of 100 to a tenth of an inch across areas around the Sierra, Northern Mountains, and Northwest California. The unseasonably strong Pacific trough that brought gusty winds, showers, and thunderstorms to Northern California yesterday is now moving into the Great Basin and the Four Corners region. This feature has spawned a vast area of red flag warnings for wind and low RH expected today and tonight. Taking a look at water vapor imagery from GOES 18 shows the Pacific trough swinging across Nevada and digging down toward the Four Corners region in the desert southwest today. A ridge of high pressure beginning to gain strength over the eastern Pacific, and general northwest flow aloft across the Pacific Northwest and Northern California. Visible imagery across the west shows plenty of mid and upper level cloud cover across the mountainous regions of the North State associated with the exiting trough. Some of these clouds may provide additional light showers today, but precipitation chances and cloud cover should generally diminish throughout the day. The upper level pattern shown here from the GFS model shows the strong Pacific trough digging across the west this morning. Note the potent west and northwest winds aloft rounding the base of the trough over Northern California and Nevada. These winds will reach the Great Basin later today, supporting the many red flag warnings across that region. Looping the model forward into early next week shows the focus of low pressure moving northeast into the upper Midwest, while general troughiness remains over the west, although weaker. Also note the north and northwest flow persists over California, while high pressure remains over the eastern Pacific. This pattern should keep the North State mainly dry in terms of rainfall with bouts of high clouds, while temperatures remain near to slightly below normal for late June and early July. Looking out toward late next week, the upper pattern maintains a trough over the west coast, maintaining the more mild temperatures Wednesday through Friday. Finally, by Saturday, some higher pressure aloft is shown here in this last frame, bringing an end to the cooler temperature regime. Reviewing model precipitation shows some additional light showers and minimal rain amounts today through Sunday across the northern mountains and Sierra. Then generally dry conditions are expected Monday through Wednesday. Isolated showers and potential thunderstorms return on Thursday through Friday. Shown here are the precipitation estimates for Friday, with minimal amounts of a tenth to a quarter of an inch. Reviewing the upcoming surface wind fields under the brisk upper level north and northwest winds, breezy conditions across most of the North State can be expected over the next 3 to 5 days. Shown here are the winds for this afternoon. Note the 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts across the east side and Sierra Crest with pockets of 35 miles per hour. Also the coastal gaps and Bay Area showing 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts later today. Overall winds diminish on Sunday. Shown here are the afternoon winds, but still a fair amount of gusty west and northwest winds along the coast and coastal gaps of 20 to 25 miles per hour. Also gusty northerlies down the Shasta Valley and northern Sac Valley. Winds on Monday afternoon look very similar to Sunday, with the focus areas of west and northwest winds being the near coast and coastal interior areas and the Shasta Valley, where gusts of 15 to 25 miles per hour can be expected. Although drier air is filtering down across the North State, the cooler temperatures will keep RH values moderated over the next few days with very good recoveries each night. However, the trend will be slightly drier each day into early next week. Shown here is the min-RH for Monday. Note the near 10% along the northern Sac Valley and lower teens southward. Otherwise, min-RH values remain relatively mild for late June. Reviewing the 7-day Northern California significant fire potential table, mainly yellow lower risk boxes across inland areas due to generally lower temperatures and a lack of any strong wind or thunderstorms. Coastal areas will see the benefit of cooler temperatures and onshore flow. A couple of brown moderate risk boxes are in play for the Sac Valley Sunday and Monday due to increased northerlies. Summarizing today's fire weather webcast highlights, a persistent upper level trough pattern with north and northwest flow will maintain widespread cooler temperatures over the next 3 to 5 days. Temperatures will range near to slightly below normal over the next 5 days. RH values will trend drier the next few days, but given the cooler temperatures, min values will remain moderated. Good RH recoveries are expected across most areas. Isolated showers and thunderstorms can be expected this afternoon and Sunday, but minimal amounts of precipitation and lightning are anticipated. Generally dry conditions with regard to precipitation Monday through Wednesday, followed by a return of potential light showers and isolated thunderstorms Thursday and Friday. Overall breezy conditions as stronger flow aloft persists. Focused areas of gustier conditions will be the coast, coastal gaps, Shasta Valley, and Sac Valley, where periods of north to northwest and west winds of 20 to 25 miles per hour gusts are likely each day, and locally ranging from 30 to 40 miles per hour. This concludes today's fire weather webcast.